It's your boy Breezy back with another video. Today I'm going to talk about 4 things you can do to your 5th gen Camaro to bring it back to life, spruce it up a little bit. Number 1, you can get a muffler delete, make it sound and respond a little bit better. Go and holler at my boys, Titan Mufflers, Phoenix, Arizona. Again, Titan Mufflers. Tell them Breezy sent you. Yes, you can Google it. Yeah, but I know you want to hear how it sounds, so here we go. But wait, one more thing. Smash that notification bell. Alright, next you're probably going to want to get some tint. Everybody likes tint, but it protects your car from overheating in the inside. So this is the clear glass. This is what it looks like clear. And this is 5% tint, okay, all around from AutoZone. I did this so you can see how it'll look before you actually put it on your car. Me personally, I'm not going to rock the AutoZone tint, but I'm just showing you that it could be done. Again, this is the clear glass. This is what it looks like clear, and then this is what it looks like with 5% done with AutoZone tint. I just want to go ahead and show you that it could be done, and you might like the results. Me personally, I'm not gonna rock the AutoZone tint, but it can be done and it looks pretty good for someone who did it at home. Shortly after, I went ahead and snatched it off because I'm gonna get a different type of tint that's recommended for the hot Phoenix area. You know what I'm saying? It get really hot in the summertime. This tint is gonna cost you around $65. Now let's go into the headlights. I hate the yellow look, so I went with the 65K. It's gonna give you that icy blue look. If you want the icy blue look, it's gonna have to be at least 65K. Now let's go to the brakes. They are Brembo, so that is nice, but let's spruce up that color. You want to take the wheel off. That's simple. I'm not gonna bore you guys with that. And I went with a Rust-Oleum type of spray paint, and I went with the primer. Yes, get the primer. I can't stress enough, get the primer. If you want it to finish and look like how Breezy got his, get that. So I'm just showing you all the tools that you're gonna need. Not really much. All right, boom, simple as that. Cover that up, cover that up. Do the same thing to the other side, of course. Then just mask off where you don't want paint to get at. Simple. Prime it up, do it on both sides. Lightly coat it the first time, then hit it again. Now you're ready to pop out with whatever color you like. I chose red, and this is the finished result. I mean, just as clean, looks nice. Got a chance to look at the brakes. Brakes look good. They are Brembo. I'm happy with the result. You can paint your calipers for less than $20, man. Get you some spray paint. I'm doing the rear, and I time-lapsed it for you guys so you can kind of see how I did it. And it is nothing crazy. You could get a garbage bag if you ain't got the drop cloths. And I just did that for the overspray. I mean, it's very simple. It's more tedious prepping than actually completing the job. But I'm happy how it turned out. Sprayed 3 coats, waiting 10 minutes maximum. That's the maximum time that I waited. And then I went ahead and sprayed another coat. Each coat, I'm looking for coverage and spots I may have not got the first couple times. And I'm just staying about 6 inches away, and I'm getting every angle. That's the first coat. It don't gotta be perfect. That's why I untime-lapsed it so y'all can see. It don't have to be perfect. Let that dry a little bit, come back, hit it again. Then after that, let it dry, hit it one more time. If you got a clear coat, wait 15 minutes in between coats, add your clear coat on. On your second clear coat, go ahead and take off your mask and put your wheel back on. You're done. The front is done. All right, see you in a bit. You're gonna wanna peel away from the caliper. So you see it's nice and painted. You don't wanna pull towards it. You wanna pull away from where you painted. So just take your time a little bit. I'll peel it away. Just like that. Peel away. Boom. Peel away. Now we add the wheel. But that's the boring part. So I'm gonna get the wheel back on and then we'll look at the finished product.
Energy made this one. Bitch. Yeah. Shit, we done came up. I'm finna call Alicia Bands, tell her flame up. We like lions in the jungle, you can't tame us. Boy, if you had a pair of indie clippers, you couldn't fade us. Shit, I go hard. I know you think this tacky little bro, but this go yard. AK-47, I'm stepping in your yard. Remember when I had no crib, but I had 6 cars?
Mojo fuck around and bought like 8 cars in 2 months. Bro said it's a flex, I shake my head, y'all play too much. I might face the rollie, but my niggas face big blunts. I might smack a bitch and pull her up by her lace front. I don't give a fuck cause my foot had been up on next. Bitch I got right now and I don't care who got up next. Niggas be on FanDuel, Alicia the best bet. I've been ballin' for a long time and it's all net. No, I ain't no hooper, but I got that big network. You niggas think you tough, don't make me laugh, Cartoon Network. Cause I'ma smoke the gas with all my bro like my lungs hurt. I'ma call my killers, put the ops in some deep dirt.
Yeah, it's Pooh the G. You tweak, I put you on the T. I make shit DIE, you'll be the C. You try fucking with me. Yeah, I done hit the road, the cops and peas. I came back chasing green. This shit just ain't for me, it's for the fam. I do this for the team. Yeah, I'm bilingual, I speak a little English and some Guapanese. I hold my blick down, this bitch ain't gon' stutter. I'll make ops be feet. My sister crazy, she shoot up even though she got kids to feed. I heard he crying at home about the bitch, she ain't here on her knees. I don't like switches, I pinpoint shit, I don't need sights or a beam. Yeah, at the crib, mad beating on the bitch cause she ain't got no cheese. Shoes I got on my feet, cost you rent, I flex on off some knees. Counting up in front of my partner on his face, I seen the greed. I don't even want the little bitch if she blush you when you sneeze. Tryna fuck me up, pray for my Glock, I'm tryna see something bleed. My pockets knotted up, I beat him up, it's dog shit in my jeans. I don't need no bitch, got weed and tricks, that's really all I need.